Hey, I see you watching my video. That's cool. So, what we're going to learn today? Well, you tell me. I know what it's going to be. It's going to be all about interjections. So interjections. So essentially, they are something. Well, we're going to learn what they are and how to use them. So interjections are small phrases that we can use to interject, like inject ourselves into a conversation, or phrases we can use as expressions like wow, things like that. So let's look at some. Like wow, that is cool. Wow, that is cool. I'm eating something. Wow, this is tasty. Wow. Wow, this pen is awesome. This pen is awesome. Yeah, so, let me think. What did you think about the webinar last night? I'm not sure. I don't know what the answer is. You look better in black. Do I look better with or without the beard? Do I look better with or without the suspenders? You tell me. I got it right. I know the answer. Aha. I figured it out. I got it right. Or yes. Who ordered the cake? Yes, that's mine. That's me. Yes. Yes, that's the one. That's the one. Yes, there it is. That's the one. I'm looking for something. I see it. Yes, there it is. Got it. How cool is that? Yes, that's the one. Yes, this is the one. Yes, those are the ones we're after. Yeah. Or right. Here's what we're going to do. Right, we are going to go to the party. Right, we are going to watch the video. Right, you are going to subscribe. You are going to subscribe. Yes, you're going to give me a thumbs up. And wow, you like the video a lot. So these words, mainly at the start of a sentence. So yes, that's the one. I know what you mean. Wow, what are you talking about? It's more of an informal thing, more about dialogue, more about talking. You wouldn't really write this down. It's more of an expression. It's more about how you feel, showing what's on your mind, and you're just talking. Just wow, I know what you mean. Definitely. Yeah. Yes. So how cool is that? But let's get two more examples. Let's see what happens. So let's look at two more. So we have okay. Okay. We will go to the party. Okay, I got an idea. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Okay, we will go to the garage first and then get chocolate. Okay. Okay. Or even, someone asks you a question. So what do you think about going to France? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, we can do that. Okay, good idea. Okay, we'll do that. What about going to Lieberland? Yeah. Okay, we can do that. Between Croatia and Siberia? Yeah, we'll go there. Or Serbia? Yeah, we'll go there. Even so, I have an idea. So, you think you know what you're doing? So, what are you doing tonight? So, what's this? So, can you explain this? So, what's this? Or then, okay. What's this then? Okay. What's this? Yeah? So, what do you think you're doing now? So, you don't know what you're doing, do you? So, now what? Okay, so now what? Just different ways of expressing, like different emotions, and you could set your thoughts about the sentence or a statement in a single word, in an interjection. A way of just injecting yourself into the conversation to share your thoughts and feelings, or an instant response you have to something straight away. Yeah. So that's it. So what are you going to do now after this video? Where are you going to go? What are you going to do? So I think you should subscribe. Okay? So why don't you press the subscribe button below, hit the bell notification right next to it, hit the thumbs up, comment below, because okay, this lesson is nicely coming to an end. How cool is that? I'll see you next time. Bye for now.